Hey guys, today we'll talk about further topic on strings, which is one of the most important topic. This is escape characters. Now, what are escape character in string? It is an escape character is a character followed by a backlash. So any character which is followed by a backlash would be an escape character. So if I have slash n, so this is for a new line character. So it tells the interpreter that this escape character sequence has a special meaning. Yeah. So this backslash, it tells the interpreter that this sequence or this escape character has a special meaning. Okay. Now, for instance, as I showed you, a slash n is an escape sequence that represents a new line. So when Python encounters this sequence in a string, it understands that it needs to start a new line. So suppose if I add Nilesh slash n and Desai, it will automatically consider it as a new line and it will print Desai on the other line. Yeah, we'll see this. Let it run. Oh, I need to put it in double quotes since it is a string. Here, slash t, that's for tag. Yeah. And check why it's not happening. Maybe it should print. Let me put it in print. Probably it has to be put it enclosed within print. Then it will consider it as an, yeah. See this? So it is considering it as an escape character wherein it is printing it on an other line. Yeah. Now, unless the print specifies an R or slash R prefix at the start of the sentence, it will ignore. Sorry for the disturbance. So if I put an R here, it will ignore the escape character. You see this? Or if I put a capital R, it will still ignore the escape character. But if I remove R, it will consider the escape character. So you need to be careful when you're adding escape character so that you do not prefix as R. The entire string is not prefixed as R. Yeah, because it will consider it as a raw string. Yeah, so it considers it as a raw string. Okay, so let me write this. Okay, let's try to get an example. So if I have a normal string, if I say normal hello, yeah, unless and until I'm printing something which is a normal string, there may be no difference. Yeah, raw equals to R. Hello. Yeah. And the print raw. Yeah? So there you will see there is no difference between both of them. Yeah. Oh, I have to put R here. So if I put a R here, or if I do not put a R here, unless I'm using the escape character, there is no difference between the string. Yeah. So in normal circumstances, there is no difference between the two. However, when the escape character is embedded in the string, the normal string actually interprets the escape sequence. Yeah. So let's consider the same example that we had by adding hello world. So if I have the same thing and I say hello slash n world, yeah, and I will print the same thing without the without the escape character. Yeah, or sorry, with the raw string, which where it will ignore the escape character. Yeah. So let's see how it gives the output. So you can see here without the R, which is the for raw string, it has printed hello and world on different lines. However, if I put R at the start of the string, it has automatically ignored the escape character in the string and it has printed it on the same line. And it has, moreover, it has considered slash n also as the part of the string. Yeah. So, there are different types of escape characters. Yeah. So let me show you the different types of escape characters. Yes. Let me put it this way. Let me put bold. Yeah. Let me have this bullets. So the first type is slash n, which we have seen earlier. This is used for, yeah, backlash or new line. Yeah. This is used for backlash and new line. So this is used to ignore backlash or new line. Yeah. So this is slash new line. Yeah. Anything that comes in. Something else. Yeah. So instead of new line, what do I put? Uh, it was this way. It was ignoring the backlash. I'll just keep it as it is. So it will ignore backlash. So this is the one that we need to care about. The next is double backlash. So if you want to print a backlash, yes. So if you want to print a backslash, you will use this. Next is if you want to print a single quote within a string, yeah, print, I'll just have single quote. Yes. Same way, if you want to print a double quote, let me copy the same thing. So if you want to copy a double quote, Yeah. If you want to print a double quote within a step. Uh, what else? If you want to add a sky bell. Yeah. Bell. Yeah. Uh, if you want to add a sky backspace. So if you want to add a sky backspace. Yeah. What you will do is you will have slash p. Yes. What else? Oh, this is not printed. Why is it not getting printed? Okay. What else? If you have a form field, so I have slash f for sky form field. Yeah. Mm, if we have a line field, that is, we have seen this. We have a separate line, new line that comes up. So this is line field. Mm, if you want to press enter at the end of the line, so you have this carriage return. Yes. What else? If you want to put a horizontal tab, yeah. So I'll say P sky horizontal tab. Yeah. Or if you want to put a vertical tab within the string, so it is slash V. If you want to print an octal value, so what you'll do is put O 3 times O with octal value. Yes. Uh, character with the hexadecimal value. How do you put that? Is XHH with the hexadecimal value. Yeah. So these are some of the escape characters that you can use. We'll see some of them practically by doing some examples. Yeah. So let's try out some example which will help you to understand what things can be done. Yeah. So let's start with some of them. Uh, so suppose I have the string s equals to uh, this string will not include slash. Yeah. That is backslashes or new line characters, the first one that we talked about. Yes. So if there is a backslash or a new line character, it will remove it. Yeah. So I say print s. So you see this, we have added it on a separate line. Yeah. And we have added a slash. Suppose that any line that is available will be automatically moved to a single line. So let's see how this looks like when we run it. So you see this? By putting a slash, I have removed the new line character or backslash from this entire line, and automatically the one which is on the second line has come on the first line. So it is provided in the same format. So if I remove this, let's see, I'll put it in triple quotes because it is in different line. You remember if multiple line, how do you print it? So it comes on the second line. If I put a slash, yeah, it will ignore the backslash and it comes on the same line. Hope you understood this. Yes. Let's understand the escape backslash. Yeah. So if I have, so I say S equals to the character is called backslash. Okay. So if I want to show that this particular character is a backslash, yes, if I have to show that this character is a backslash, and if I do not put a slash ahead of it, let's see what happens. Yeah, it is okay. Oh, I have to show the backslash. Show. Here it is. So in order so that it does not ignore the backslash, we are adding one more backslash. Yeah. So let's see if I have to add a single quotes. Yeah. If I say S, let's see the next one. If I want to print a quote within a string, so if I say hello Python, yeah. Now I want to print put Python in double quotes again so that it prints properly. It will give me an error. But if I want to print this entire string with the double quotes, I'll put a slash here and I'll put a slash here. Yes. Oh, I have to print as well. See this? So it comes with a double quote. If I have not added backslash, it would have given me an error. Yes. So as soon as I put a backslash in the code, it will print it with the double quotes. Let's have some more examples. So suppose, so if I want to put a backspace, so if I have this string like this, S equals to E L L O, yeah, and also print S. So this it prints the entire hello. Yeah. But if I do not want to print one of the L, so what I'll do is slash B. Yeah. So it will use the escape backslash carriage return carriage backspace, and it will print just HELO. Yeah. So it has automatically deleted the L prior to the slash B. Yeah. Escape bell character. So escape bell character, how does that work? So I will put, I'll use the same thing here. I'll say hello. I'll put this hello. So slash A. Yeah. So let's see what it prints. See the bell which is available here. Let me make it a little bigger if I am able to do it. It's becoming too big. Let me make it a bit smaller. I want to show the bell icon that has come because of the sky character. Yeah. See, this is small icon that has come after hello. That is the special sky character. You'll not be able to see it here. Yeah. Okay. Next is in a new line character, which we have seen earlier as well. So if I have this hello Python, the same thing, and I put a /n here, it will print Python on the second line. Yeah, which I've seen earlier as well. Let's see for horizontal tab. So if I have this and there is no space in between, I remove the entire space in between and I put a tab. So it will automatically separate hello and Python by a tab. See this, there is a big space in between hello and Python. This is a tab. Yeah. What else? We saw horizontal tab. Let's see form field. What happens in a form field? So if I have for form field, we know what the character is. What is the special character is F. Then let's run this. What happens? See this? Hello Python. I need to put a space in between so that you see what is the form field that happens. So I'll put a smaller hello Python and I have a form field. Let's see what happens. So this, so there is a form field that has happened. Yeah. Let's move on to the next. You cannot see this because it goes on a separate line altogether. Yeah. Let's try to find out an octal notation. So octal notation, if I say S equals to /101, yeah, and I'll say print S. It will give me an octal value of this. So that is A. Yeah. Same way, let's do for hexadecimal. What we have to do is XH. So that is X and the number. So what I'll do is X 41. Let's see what it prints. A. So hexadecimal of A is X41. Yeah. So there are the various ways in which you can use escape characters for your formatting of strings, or if you want to do a special thing while printing a particular string. Yeah. Hope you like this video and we'll see further string methods which will help you to format the strings. Yeah. Thank you so much. Join in for the next video.